Welcome to BookShark Virtual, Teacher App. Upon logging in, teachers will be presented with the Teacher App. The Courses tab is shown by default. Courses can be displayed in card format or as a list. Above the course list, you may see notifications for grading or announcements. There's a notification for work that needs grading. Clicking this button brings you directly to the items that need to be manually graded. Enter the scores for these items. Include any feedback you'd like your student to see, and click Submit Score. Your student will see these scores along with any feedback from the activity stream in the student app. Return to the Teacher app by clicking the menu, then clicking Teacher App. Each course can be given a nickname. This can be helpful if you teach multiple students across different levels by allowing you to quickly identify who belongs to a particular course. This nickname can be changed or removed at any time. Click the ellipses for a course and click Edit Course Nickname. Type the name or names of the student enrolled in this course and click Save. The nickname now appears below the course title. To view the course syllabus or activities, click the Activities button. Activities are divided into folders for weeks and days. To expand a folder, click the arrow beside it. Each day contains a set of activities which include assignments and assessments. You may see an icon next to an activity name, such as a map. These icons represent additional hands-on or interactive activities that are part of the weekly schedule. Simply click an activity from the list to view it. Clicking the week will show the full week schedule. Use the Next and Previous Activity buttons located at the top and bottom of the page to navigate through the course content. Depending on the prerequisites you've set up, your student may need to click Mark this activity complete in order to proceed to the next activity.